Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security. I'm bringing you a video today on this 2018 Harley Davidson CVO Ultra that we have just removed a Super Cams 2-channel dash camera in favor of the new, for 2019, Thinkware M1 sports dash camera, which is also a 2-channel dash camera. Now, what's cool about this is that this is the ultimate dash camera for motorsports and power sports applications, such as this Harley Davidson. In fact, it really is the only motorsports dash camera that I'm aware of that offers the quality and the functionality that this camera offers. So I'm just going to do a brief walk around and kind of show you how we've mounted the cameras, what we've done, and then I'll show you how it works on the Thinkware mobile app. So I'll just pan out here. As you can see, beautiful bike, worth a lot of money. Great investment to have a dash camera on, especially when you're riding around and all those crazy drivers out there. You want to be able to capture video of it. Not only that, but you also want to capture video of your drives because, for example, this particular customer takes this bike all over the North American continent, and he wants to be able to capture video of the drives that he does. With that being said, as you can see from the video, you hardly see the cameras, and I'm going to point out where they are. First camera is in the back, which is right there. Second camera is in the front, which is right there. Now, this particular client has a RAM mount, RAM mount bracket that is attached to the handlebars. As you can see, we've got multiple articulating arms that culminate in this U bracket that holds the front camera lens. Now, the camera itself comes with some mounting brackets. Unfortunately, though, they terminate with a double-sided tape bracket, which in our opinion just isn't strong enough for this particular application. Many applications it would be, but this particular client wanted to have it on his existing RAM mount, which we were able to do. These are parts that the client provided, but we are planning on offering these specific parts to be able to do this on other bikes that may come in. It's a great clean look. As you can see, it offers a great clean view of the front of the vehicle. There's my coworker Christian. Say hi. He's going to now demonstrate the Wi-Fi app that this camera comes with. So Christian, if you want to pull out your phone. So the M1 Sports uses the same Thinkware dash camera viewing app that all of the other Wi-Fi Thinkware cameras use.
Thinkware app, default password is 1 to 9. So it's already connected. Once it's connected, just fire up the app. I'm not sure where that is. Shop stuff. Thinkware Cam. Live view. Loads right up like the one in your vehicle would. Front camera, live view.
Front camera, live view. Perfect.
There's my hand.
Let's take a look at the rear.
Rear.
And orient the phone the other way, horizontally, so we can see it. So as you can see, the view from the rear, it is on an angle. That is because obviously the camera is mounted on a bike, which is also on an angle, parked on the kickstand. But it provides a center view that is horizontal when the bike is driving down the road. With the Wi-Fi app, you can review footage, you can share footage, you can change settings on the camera, you can change sensitivity settings, etc. on the camera. And then, like I just mentioned, you can share the footage. So if anything were to ever happen and you needed to give the police footage of the event, you would be able to do that through your smartphone by downloading the footage onto the camera. There is a control box which we have mounted centrally under this seat right here. I won't pull it apart to show you, but the control box is made of billet aluminum. It's fully weatherproof. Christian, there was a control panel with it, and the control panel is mounted right there.
So you have your microphone on there, your status light, your Wi-Fi toggle on and off, and your manual recording button. Otherwise, it's always recording.
So the manual recording button, what does that do, Christian?
So essentially, let's say, I don't know, you see a comet streaking through the sky and you want to be able to find it right away. Click that button. It will go on the app as a separate recording in a different file, so it's easier to find. I will show you that right now. It would be under... Oh, I'm disconnected. 1 second. It'd be under M1 file list, manual recording. So I hit it earlier today at 10:25, and that's the recording file. You also have a microphone on this as well.
So as we can see, the M1 sports camera for this motorcycle is a fully featured dash camera, just the same as you would expect in an automobile, like a car or a truck. but weatherproof and engineered and designed for the motorcycle market. You can put this on motorcycles, boats, ATVs, snowmobiles, anything that is open to the elements, you're able to put this dash camera on. This happens to be our first installation on this fantastic Harley Davidson motorcycle. It's a great application. There's many of you viewers that own a bike like this. You need a dash camera, and all of the competing products, including that Super Cam that you saw on the floor, they all suck compared to this Thinkware M1 Sports. We truly believe this is the ultimate and the best dash camera for these applications. With that being said, that concludes this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. If you own a Harley Davidson, a motorcycle, a boat, anything that's open to the elements and you want to put a dash camera in it, feel free to give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed watching.